Hey there guys! Welcome back to Bam Glam! This month of June, ang daming occasions. There are debuts, graduation, oath taking, weddings, as in ang daming occasions this month left and right. And you know what I noticed? Kapag tumingin ka sa mga HMU pages, these are the pages where you look for a makeup artist to hire, or this is also the same pages where makeup artists usually post their portfolio or their sample works. The most common requested look is this look. It's called the Angelic look because of how it looks na parang fresh lang, baby pink, light blush, very dewy, gloss lips, and wispy lashes. So, yun yung concept niya, and it's supposed to make you look very, very innocent and sweet and fresh lang. So, since I noticed that this is the most requested look talaga, as in demand yung ganitong look ngayon, I thought why not make a video about it. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this angelic look. So if you wanna know how I did this look, please keep on watching. I want this look to be very glowy, so I'm gonna start off with an illuminating primer and we'll add a little bit of illuminator. But if you have oily skin, you can skip this step. Now before I apply my foundation, I would like to clean my brows first and then apply my clear brow gel. It is ideal to apply the clear brow gel first before you apply foundation and powder to avoid white flakes. Use a slanted brush to flatten and shape your brows. Now on to foundation, I'm going to use a very lightweight foundation with a dab of illuminator because the goal for this look is to have a very flawless base without caking up too much foundation. For the concealer, the approach is less is more, so I'm only going to use a little amount of concealer to cover my dark circles. Now I'm going to apply a liquid blush using these two shades of pink to create that very sweet innocent blush look. I prefer to apply the blush in the middle part of my cheeks to create that flushed look. But make sure to blend it very seamlessly and apply a little bit on the nose bridge. Now I'm going to set everything with a lightweight translucent powder, but I will avoid applying any powder on my eyelids first, and I would also like to avoid any powder on my brow area. Now buff everything with a brush for a silkier finish. Remove any crease from the eyelids because we are now going to apply a stick eyeshadow. This will be used as a base for our eyeshadow. Now I'm going to set the eyeshadow stick with a very shimmery champagne eyeshadow and make sure to blend the edges. Adding a little bit of light bronze eyeshadow there just to add a little bit of depth. Make sure to blend everything, especially the edges. One can never have enough glitters, of course. That's why I'm going to add a little bit more of the chunky glitters in the middle part of my lids. And also a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to line my eyes with a half-wing liner. Next, I'm going to tight line. Make sure that you connect the tight line to the outer wing of your liner. Now time to add some more glow. Going to apply highlighter on the highest point of my cheeks and onto the bridge of my nose, onto my chin, and on my cupid's bow. Next, we're going to contour our face in a very subtle way. Try to avoid heavy contouring for this one because we want to retain that soft features on our face. Now I'm going to softly define my brows using a brow powder, which I'm going to concentrate more on the tail of my brows and use a brow pen to create brow-like strokes. Then curl my lashes before I apply mascara. Now I'm going to apply individual lashes underneath my lash for a more natural look. Apply a nude liner on the lower waterline for brighter eyes. Then apply nude pink lip liner. Then diffuse the edges with a buffing brush. And then add a bright pink lip tint in the inner part of my lips and then blend it with a buffing brush. And then add some gloss. Now I'm going to add a bit more mascara using a fan brush and then curl my lashes using these heated lashes. This one has a clamp in it, so you can just clamp your lashes together, especially if you're wearing false lashes. And here's the final look. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look. And I also hope that you learned something from this video. If you totally enjoyed my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching this here on YouTube. And if you're watching this in TikTok, please don't forget to follow me. And if you're watching this here in Facebook, please don't forget also to follow me here. So thank you again, guys, for watching this video. I'll see you again on my next one. Bye!